This is the convection demonstration for the S1 energy and heat topic. So first of all, the equipment. We've got this glass tube. It's rectangular in shape and currently full of water. Got a little tea light candle. Got a micro spatula and some potassium permanganate to act as a purple dye. Also a bench mat because we're going to be lighting things on fire, so hopefully we don't light anything else on fire. The first step is simple. I will simply take some of my potassium permanganate and my micro spatula and add it to the top of the rectangular glass tube. Only need a tiny amount, it's very powerful. Hopefully you can see that. And that will just sit there currently. Water is not moving in the tube. It is all currently the same temperature, but we're going to change that. So what we're going to do here is light the candle. And move it under the corner of the rectangular tube. So what this will do is the flame will slowly begin to heat the glass, which will heat the water inside the tube. As the water heats up in the tube, the particles get more energy, and they spread further apart, making the water less dense, so the water begins to rise to the top. That means the cold water in here gets pushed that way, and you can see that as it drags the purple potassium permanganate to the other side. If we then switch the candle around to the other side, you will notice that this side is no longer being heated, but this side is. So we should hopefully notice the purple dye beginning to reverse direction. You can now see the purple dye begin to climb up this way as the water surrounding it is becoming less dense and rising towards the top of the tube. You also notice the purple dye is now moving in that direction, towards the right. Now you can see the purple dye is beginning to return to this side. It's falling down this side as the colder water gets pushed that way as the warmer water rises and the colder water sinks, due to the cold water being more dense. This is convection. If I remove the source of the heat, over time all the water will return to its room temperature, the dye will no longer be pushed around. The water will return to being still.